You're listening to this article from Convertz.app. Complete guide to currency exchange rates, how they work, and what affects them. What are currency exchange rates? Currency exchange rates represent the value of one currency expressed in terms of another. When you see that $1 equals 0.92 euros, this means $1 can be exchanged for 0.92 euros at the current market rate. Exchange rates are fundamental to international trade, travel, and investment. They affect everything from the price of imported goods to the returns on foreign investments. How exchange rates are determined. Floating exchange rates. Most major currencies operate on a floating exchange rate system, where values are determined by supply and demand in the foreign exchange, forex, market. The forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded daily. Key factors affecting supply and demand. Number 1. Interest rates. Higher interest rates attract foreign investment, increasing demand for that currency. Number 2. Inflation. Lower inflation typically strengthens a currency's value. Number 3. Economic performance. Strong GDP growth attracts investment. Number 4. Political stability. Uncertainty causes investors to seek safer currencies. Number 5. Trade balance. Countries with trade surpluses see higher demand for their currency. Fixed exchange rates. Some countries peg their currency to another, usually US dollars or euros. This provides stability but requires the central bank to maintain foreign reserves and intervene in markets to maintain the peg. Types of exchange rates. Spot rate. The current market rate for immediate exchange. This is what you see on our currency converter. Forward rate. A rate agreed upon today for exchange at a future date, used by businesses to hedge against currency risk. Bid and ask rates. Banks and exchange services quote two rates. Bid rate. What they'll pay to buy foreign currency from you. Ask rate. What they'll charge to sell foreign currency to you. The difference, spread, is their profit margin. Understanding currency pairs. Exchange rates are always quoted in pairs. In US dollars or euros. US dollars is the base currency. Euros is the quote currency. The rate tells you how much quote currency equals 1 unit of base currency. Major currency pairs. The most traded pairs involving US dollars. Euros or US dollars, euro or dollar. US dollars or Japanese yen, dollar or yen. British pounds or US dollars, pound or dollar. US dollars or Swiss francs, dollar or Swiss franc. What causes exchange rate fluctuations? Short-term factors. Economic data releases, employment, inflation, GDP. Central bank announcements. Political events and elections. Market sentiment and speculation. Long-term factors. Relative economic growth. Inflation differentials. Trade relationships. Monetary policy trends. How to get the best exchange rate. Number 1. Compare rates from multiple sources. Number 2. Avoid airport exchanges. They typically offer the worst rates. Number 3. Use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees when traveling. Number 4. Exchange larger amounts to minimize per transaction fees. Number 5. Monitor rates in exchange when favorable. Exchange rates and inflation. Purchasing power parity, PPP, theory suggests that exchange rates should adjust to equalize the price of identical goods across countries. While not perfect in practice, it helps explain long-term currency movements. The role of central banks. Central banks influence exchange rates through interest rate policy, affects investment flows. Quantitative easing. Increasing money supply can weaken currency. Direct intervention, buying or selling currency in forex markets. Forward guidance. Signaling future policy intentions. Conclusion. Understanding exchange rates empowers you to make better financial decisions, whether you're traveling abroad, investing internationally, or running a global business. Use our free currency converter to check live rates anytime. Disclaimer. This article is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Currency markets are highly volatile and carry significant risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Convertz.app provides tools for conversion and tracking only, We do not provide investment recommendations. That's the end of this article. Visit Convertz.app for more guides and free conversion tools.